Welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on these three oval open bezels. This is going to be an exercise in comparing three different materials in resin and see how they behave. I'm using a little of these black stone chips, some of this silver foil, and these multi-sized tiny golden spheres which I will use around this one gear. So let's resin. Just making sure it is stuck firmly to the tape because I don't want the resin to flow under it when I pour it. I'm feeling really clumsy working with this foil, which is determined to go anywhere other than where it is supposed to. The foil seems to be very busy to the eye, very strong visually. This is not domed at all. This is slightly domed, and this one has minimal clear resin in it. I hope it works.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three,
I don't think light is capturing it well, but it is nice and reflective, and you can see all the black stones with it's quite irregular. Maybe I will need to dome it a little because a couple of them are sort of jutting out. This one with the silver foil is working very nicely with this locket, very pretty. Again, this was already sort of slightly concave, but a little bit of doming would help. This again, I think I've fallen in love with this style. I'm going to again just slightly, I'm not sure if I should dome this because unlike the other one,
If I were to dome this, I would stop here because I really want to keep the center clear.
so let's take these out. I love it. I don't want to do anything else to this really because I'm so worried that I'll spoil it. Even there are a few bubbles here and there, but they're just adding to this whole play of geometry. It's floating around in this. It's lovely. This has come out. It's easily one of my favorite pieces, even though golden is not my style. Oh, this is almost perfect. There was one tiny, two tiny, three tiny bubbles. They can easily be handled with a little bit of doming on the surface. It's absolutely perfect actually. And oh, this side is gorgeous, but it is a little irregular, so I will dome this for sure. And here we go. And now that you can see a little bit against the light, you can see the slight translucency. I need to shine a light below this for you to be able to see. It's actually gorgeous. Can you see the stones are slightly translucent? It's looking very nice, and it's working very well with this brass finish. So yeah, all in all good. Again, this side will, I think this side is almost perfect. And if I dome it, I think it would take away from this. I'll try to fix this one bubble hole and this one bubble here, and that should take care of this. This has come out very nicely, all three of these.
Which one do you think is the best one? Because these are very, very different styles. I imagine that somebody who likes this one might not favor this one or this one. I'm going to prepare these for doming. This one I'm going to leave as it is because I like what is happening here, and it's good as it is. So this remains. This one I'm going to sand this off a little so that it can be dome. Same for this one. There are bits of the surface which are jutting out because of the foil. But because the bezels have this jutting out portion, I cannot dome it on this flat surface. I need to raise the level of the sandpaper a bit. So I'm going to use my cutting board for that. This will give me a little bit of an edge, literally.
This is just going to be a slight exercise, not too much. I don't want to hurt the bezels. Just enough to level off whatever was coming out. I think that should be enough. You can see that the parts which needed to go have already gone. There are just a few parts, and just a little bit of pressure should do the trick.
I've already assembled this one. I forgot to hit the record button. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider sharing, smash that like button, and have a wonderful day.